Good morning. So today and this week we're going to be talking about functions. And later in the week we're going to be graphing functions, but for right now we're going to be solving functions. And when you see a function, it's probably going to be written something like this. F of x, and then they're going to give you an equation. And for this example, our equation is 3x minus 1. Then it'll say find f of negative 3. So what I'm going to do is anywhere I see negative 3, I'm going to plug in for x anywhere in this equation. So let me rewrite with the negative 3 substituting for the x. So f of negative 3 equals 3 times negative 3 minus 1. So f of negative 3 equals 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 minus 1. So f of negative 3 equals negative 9 minus negative 1 is negative 10. So that would be my answer for the first one, would be negative 10. You might also see something written like this, g of x. You might see it so either with an f or with a g. G of x equals negative 6x. So find g of 5. So let me plug in the 5 wherever I see the x. So g of 5 equals negative 6, and then I'm going to plug in times 5. Remember, there's an imaginary multiplication symbol in here. So negative 6 times 5 equals negative 30. So my answer would be negative 30. Okay? So that's all you have to do. You just have to plug in what they're telling you f of a number is. Wherever you see x in the equation, you're going to plug that number in for x and then solve for it. So my answer for the first one was negative 10 because I substituted negative 3 for x. And my answer for the second one was negative 30 because I substituted the 5 for x in this one. Good luck.